Lhanel Rock Stepper review. So, is this product worth it? Now, this product is, of course, a real compact home workout stepper. So, the typical kind of machine that is, of course, similar to this. So, it's not really a scam, of course, we can't really say that, but it does have mixed feedback, although it has pretty good reviews on most of the product sites. It pretty much uses a side-to-side rocking motion with resistance bands, so it can help with light cardio, legs, glutes, balance, those stuff. And the official product page markets it as a fun, low impact stepper. And it is also listed on the retailers like Amazon, which we mentioned or which we already looked at. Now, this is best for people who want a small exercise tool for short daily movement, especially at home or in a small space. Some users say it is fun, it's easy to use, but a little bit of complaints mention long shipping delays, but that's pretty much practically it. I mean, technically it. Customer service issues, movement, or sliding during use, but I suppose that depends on the environment you place this on, and even breakage concerns from some buyers. So of course, we've already mentioned the pros of it being a compact size. It's fun, I suppose. Fun rocking motion. Look at this person go over here. And it's just low impact cardio. So it also includes the resistance bands and basically it's just good for short workouts. But if we were to include cons, it would be the mixed reviews that some and a few people say possible shipping delays and it can feel unstable at first, but I suppose that's normal since I don't think you're used to, riding something like this in your life. So it's not ideal for people with poor balance. So some complaints about durability and customer service will be included in the cons as well. But as a final verdict, the Lhanel Rock Stepper can be worth it if you want a simple, fun, and low impact home workout that you can buy from a seller with clear returns. That is pretty much almost all its advertising. It's not really over exaggerating anything as well, but you won't be able to call it really an amazing something or a risk free because the reviews are too mixed. So, if balance, durability, or easy returns matter a lot, then it's better to have a more established mini stepper brand to be in your options or as your choice so that it's much safer. But this product, it's definitely worth it in some areas. But hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.